Cornish pasty and a pint of Cornish beer. Yum. Oh, and Rhonda's got one. How is it? Nice? Full of potato and meat and probably a pepper in there. Beautiful. It's smiling at me. Rhonda's got a traditional one. I've got steak and Stilton. Steaming hot. These came straight out of the oven.
Yum.
Delicious. That's all that's left of two pasties. Two crumpled up bags.
That's lovely. Okay, so this task is you have to, in your pairs, guess how far you think you could roll a Malteser down this tape measure into your partner's mouth. Hold the tape measure a little bit, but like,
Have you tested this?
Sorry?
Have you tested this?
Of course.
Nice.
I'm not going to tell you.
So can your partner hold the tape measure or not?
Partner can hold it like
At
hold
the mouth.
one end,
Right.
so that you can be like, you could lock it if you want. It might be easier, and then they can just hold the bottom.
So what's the objective? The furthest?
Get the Malteser in your mouth.
Get it
You'll
furthest?
well, no, the guess. You've got to guess the furthest. So if you think you could do, I don't know, 7.9 meters, then you guess that, but then you have to do that, and you get 3 tries. Okay. So it's rather than being like, oh, we all get to go there, we all get to go there. The aim is to guess how much far you think.
5 is pretty good round. Good round number of 5. Yeah.
What's your take? They've asked us to join the challenge.
Roll a Malteser. Am I going to roll it into your mouth? Or are you going to roll it into my mouth?
What would you prefer?
Well, I love Maltesers. I want them in my mouth.
Did you hear that? He said, am I going to roll it into your mouth or are you going to roll it into mine? I said, I don't know. What do you prefer? He goes, well, it's a Malteser. I want it in my mouth.
Exactly.
Yeah, that was clever.
My name's Olly. It's my stag do. Glenn and Rhonda are doing a game with us. We're going to roll the Malteser down the tape measure into Glenn's mouth. There you go. And that's how it goes.
Without twisting it. Keep it tight, and don't twist it.
Ready?
Sorry, I'm just gonna get you to pull that right to the base of the.
Oh, sorry. Rhonda's cheating already.
Pull it tight, don't twist it.
Oh, I keep pulling it further. Oh, it's
Here we
going
go.
too fast. First try.
Right, here we go.
That's a fail.
Pull it tight. Pull it tight in there. Come on there. Go on there. Come on there. Alright, ready? Roll it in the middle.
Oh, that's going fast.
This is quite scary. Oh, good start. It's fading.
Oh, and it's gone.
Okay.
You said it.
Hang on, wait, hold on.
Ah, good.
Okay, should we say if you don't do this, Ollie, you do have to get back in there and look at you. Ready?
Alright. Is there a taser room? We didn't have any long ones.
Oh, the end's full of spit now.
Team Lender. Sorry.
I call him Glenda because he takes longer to get ready than I do.
There's your weapon. Good luck. Sorry, we're gonna have to.
Like, oh, Canada or something?
Hello.
There's more of you than there was last time.
Is there?
I know, we gotta video him. Ollie, you can't go yet. We gotta video you.
Oh, it's better.
It doesn't go back anymore.
Sorry, mobile data
Look better in a minute.
causing issues.
Shut up. Oh, what's funny about me?
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Do you need that t-shirt on?
I'll do just to make show of it, yeah. So, I think that's right.
Oh my gosh, they're gonna make him swim?
Sir, on the boat.
That's gotta be cold.
It's really cold outside. That's a toy.